Hi, my name is Dr. Rishi Pathak, and I'm a physical medicine and rehabilitation doctor, also known as a physiatrist here at North Oaks Rehabilitation Hospital. So I chose to become a physiatrist because my grandfather actually suffered a spinal cord injury in a plane crash back in 1945. Back then there was actually no specific field of physiatry, and he actually had to rehab himself, and he was able to not only get himself to stand again after being paralyzed for almost a year, got himself walking to be able to go back to flying as well. So seeing his transition and the need for the ability to be able to just do things for yourself, for example, just walking, getting in and out of bed, putting on pants, feeding yourself, making yourself a sandwich, that is by far the most rewarding aspect of my job. Not to discount any other physicians and the roles that they play in patient care, I think that the ability to give someone back their function and to go back to doing the things that they like to do, such as gardening or getting out fishing, getting in the yard, getting back on a lawnmower, doing things for themselves in that regard is beyond rewarding for me. So, fun fact about me, I realized that at an early age, being a really picky eater, the only way to actually survive in this world is to start cooking, so I certainly love to cook.